I'm going to show you, bro, something that is going to 10 times your testosterone. This is something that a lot of people are not going to talk about and people don't really know. And these are two things that you can use that if you're someone who is suffering from low symptoms of testosterone and you want to perform better in the gym, you want to be able to get it up, if you know what I mean. If you want to be able to feel more motivated, feel more energy, and just feel more of a purpose in your life as a man, these two things are going to absolutely skyrocket your progress as a man and your testosterone. Right, bro, so the first one is this. Hear me out when I say this, because it's going to sound absolutely nuts. Let's say you are in bed with a woman, right? The next, if you don't have a girlfriend or you can't get girls, don't worry about this. Just listen to the next one. But the first one is if you are in bed with a woman and you are doing the deed, before you're about to finish, but then you stop and you pull out and don't finish. If you have a girlfriend or not, whatever, but the next time you are in bed with a woman, try this. And you're just about to finish, and next thing, you don't, and you just pull out. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to let her know that you're gonna do this. Don't, you know what I mean? Because that, again, like I said, that'll be actually kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. Basically, for the people who do not know, this is something that if you were to do in the future, or if, like I said, if you have a girlfriend or not, this is something you can practice, because this is something that pretty much is like whenever you finish in a woman, you've pretty much like completed life. It's the evolution of man. If you were to basically pull the plug just as you're about to do that, the amount of like, you just get this absolute boost in testosterone. Your testosterone goes like that. Very, very, very high. Now it does come back down again, don't worry, it's not going to stay up there. But it is something that you can do in your life, that if you ever do want to just know what it's like to just get that huge hit, where after you do it, you will feel like you generally just feel so different. I've done this myself. It is absolutely insane. And I don't know why we have it. I don't know why this happens. I don't know the whole science behind it. But if you were to do that, where you are in bed with a woman and you are about to finish and you stop, like, it is incredible the feeling you get. Like, you just get this burst of like energy and motivation and just power as a man. I can't really describe it too much, but you are going to have to do it yourselves if you do find yourselves in bed with a woman. Alright, bro, this next one is the second one that everyone can do. You don't need a girlfriend for this, and this next one you can do 100% every single morning, and that is 4+ eggs a morning. Every single morning, 4 eggs plus. Nothing below 4 eggs, so you can have 4 eggs in the morning or anything above. So you can have 5, 6, 7, 10. Have you ever heard the saying, getting yoked? Do you want to know why people say that? It's because that's the effect eggs have on you. Eggs are like a natural steroid. They're like a steroid that is natural. And I mean that when I say it. If you were to have 4 eggs every single morning, your testosterone will absolutely shoot up through the roof compared to what it is. So bro, this is something that you need to start doing. 4 eggs in the morning. The first thing I told you is something that you can do later on in the future, whenever you do get a woman, or if you do get better with girls. But this here is a must. If you're a young man and you are suffering from low testosterone, where you have low energy, you have low drive, you just don't want to do anything in your life, eating 4 eggs every single morning, and I mean when I say this, if you were to do that every single day consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, you will start feeling the results. You will start noticing yourself having more energy and being more active. Because I don't know what it is. Listen, there probably is some nerd scientist out there that can turn around and tell me why it does that or why it has the effect of doing that. But you have got to trust me on this. I do this, like I said, myself, and the progress I make in the gym is absolutely absurd. Alright, my persona, my feeling, whenever I'm walking around the place as a man, I just feel more confident in myself and my identity. Because, like I said, I don't know what it is, and it's not like I'm conscious of it, I don't force it, it's just subconscious, where I just walk different, I feel different, I think different, I speak with a deeper voice, my handshakes strong and powerful. And I'm not saying that to over exaggerate, I'm being dead serious. If you're someone who eats 4 eggs a day, you're going to be way ahead of the competition. If you're some loser who doesn't like the taste of eggs, stop being a loser and go out and have 4 eggs in the morning. I'm sick of hearing young men sitting there, and they're actually such children because they don't like eggs, but then they'll go to the McDonald's and start eating nuggets and chicken nuggets and they'll chuck chicken nuggets and chips. Like, you're 20 years old, like, start eating like a man, start eating properly, start eating steak, stop eating fucking chicken nuggets and stuff. Genuinely, it actually does piss me off. It really does, because I've been around so many fellas who are like that, where I tell them, bro, just eat 4 eggs in the morning, every single morning, and your testosterone, and you'll just start feeling better as a man, because your testosterone will start going up. And they give you all these excuses how they don't like eggs, and is there an alternative, and all this horse crap. And I'm not joking, I literally just want to slap them into oblivion. This is something, bro, that will really change your life. And I'm being serious when I say this because I genuinely want to help you. You're somebody who's watching this, who wants to live a better life, wants to feel better, wants to get out of this shit state that you're in your life because of society and social media. This will genuinely change your life. Something as simple as just eating 4 eggs in the morning every single day, and it will 10 times your testosterone over time. You will feel twice, 3 times, 5 times the man that you are right now. Now, I'm not saying if you eat 4 eggs that all of a sudden you're going to get jacked, and you have to put the work into your life as well. You have to hit the gym, you have to meditate, you have to do all those other things that I preach. But also doing this as well is something that if you slowly implement into your life over time, this is just going to make you a better man. Simple. Don't waste your time looking back. We're not going that way.